What yoy? Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. This is season 10. Today we're making ACKEE and saltfish tacos. ACKEE and saltfish breadfruit tacos, should I say? Yeah, man. A good vibe. So I'm a little bit creative today, people. You get me? Yeah, man. Nothing normal. You know that already. But before we start today, we've got our ingredients today, which will soon show you. But I just want to show you where we're staying and where we're cooking today. It is a different mission, bro. Right now, we're going way up into the jungle with people, yeah? So we say, you ready? You ready to go up in the jungle? Oh, you don't know. It's Cook and Vibe, season 10. Let's go in the jungle. Let's show you how far. Yo, you soon see what I've gone. Big, we're right at the bottom right now, so let's go. First steps, there you go, and especially when you're carrying stuff and it's hot, so you have to take your time, isn't it? Yeah, man, I hope you're enjoying season 10, up and coming productions on the camera, big him up. I know how the team's set, yeah, alright. As you can see, the first set, hot, it's hot out here. As you can see, still going. So we're going to run some music and fast forward this part here. We're going to show you how far we're going up here, alright? Hold on. Yeah, we've reached halfway. Alright people, let's keep it moving. We've still got a little bit of way to go yet. This is the owner of the property's place here, really nice guy, really helpful. If you want to book to stay, yes my brother! Ready up. If you want to book this place, I'm going to leave the information in the description below so you can book this. It's a really nice place to stay if you want to get in tune with nature and just really like just come away from everything and just hold a meditation and hold a vibes. This is the right place. Like I said, the owner for the property is really nice guy, really helpful. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Oi oi! We nearly reach. Hey! And we are home. Yes people, this is where we're at. Aye, as you can see, breadfruit, they are cold. Yeah. But it's worth it. Look around there. Now tell her. Say hello to Chickeling. Chickeling! Hello, Chickeling. Yeah, don't itch and scratch in here, mate. Aye. Now tell her. A good vibe, people. Living in the jungle is not easy. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Cook and Vibe. We're there, man. We got up and coming production. We're outside.
Oi oi.
That is it. Alright, people. time to fire up the kitchen. Yeah, man, as you can see, people say, oh, don't use plastic, bro. That's how you light a fire here. Yeah, we don't have no fire lighter on it. Bro, that gets burnt away. Done. By the time you start cooking, that's nowhere to be seen. Believe you me. Yeah, any Jamaican will tell you the same thing. That is it, people. Fire, aguan. That's for the breadfruit. There we go, there's the saltfish. So what we need to do now is we need to boil this, debone it, and that'll be ready for when we do the vegetables. As you can see, the vegetables there, fresh ackee. And you don't know, so we got the skime. Yeah? Not scallion and thyme, skime. We got the skime, we got the sweet peppers, we got the onion, we got the Scotch bonnet, our good vibes, a little all-purpose seasoning and anything there, United Tingo, Maggie thing today. Yeah, so while we're waiting for that to start bunning up, we are gonna boil the saltfish and take out the bones. Once that's ready, we're gonna get the breadfruit on there, cooking, and then we will show you how we're gonna make the ackee and breadfruit taco. Well. All right, people. So let's get our scallion, get our skime ready. That goes in there. I'll wash up the peppers, tomatoes, onion. We don't need to wash the Scotch bonnet. That is it. All right, forward, people. I'll wash up these. All right. That is it. We've done a little wash. All right, so now we're gonna chop up our vegetables, people. The knife is not the best knife. We have to make it work. Yeah, you know, like when knives are not great, you can cook a certain, cut a certain angle, like so. It's gonna be a bit more easier to cut. You know what I'm saying? So. Yeah, man, we are going to chop up the green pepper now. That is it, people. Skime next. You know when I talk about when we say skime, people, get used to it. Scallion and thyme. That is it. See, the knife's not the best knife. Look. Skime. Yeah. Alright, we're just going to bust the Scotch bonnet in half, people. You can go in there. That is it. Yep. Good vibes, people. Yeah. So that's most of our vegetables chopped up now. Just got to deal with the ackee next. Vegetables them up and ready. Right, this is ready for put the breadfruit on now, people. So there we go. Fire's up and blazing. Now basically, how you cook these is you roast it. Alright, you roast it till the whole thing is black, and then you peel it. Probably, you're sure you've seen me do it on Cook and Vibe before. But you can see, yeah, we've got 2 breadfruit. Alright, now we're gonna deal with the ackee. Look at that, fresh ackee. Proper things, man. Same time. And it's not as like soft yet as it does when you take it out of there. So I deal with this now. Hello, Chickling! Alright! What do you want? It's our bridging. Up and coming productions is gonna miss him when we leave.
Yeah, fully.
Yeah, so let me show you what I've got around here, people. Get the breadfruit, give it a turn, people. You can see that go on that side. That is it. Alright, for the ackee now, people, basically what you do is you take this pip out here, right? Get rid of that. And inside, you can see like this little stuff here. So you want to get rid of that. Get that one on that inside there. Get that little bit out. Up there. And that's good. Once that, all that's cleaned out from inside there, that is good to go. Yeah, as you can see, they're the ones that's done already. Even like these ones here, as you can see, that the pip's inside. Oh, there's no pip in this one, it's already been taken out. Oh, there is, there's a little one there. So, take out that. Take out the little something inside there. Skin something. And good to go. Still cleaning ackee, people. See, like you can see that's the little skin bit inside that you want to get rid of. It's a bit of a tedious job. We don't really get the opportunity to do this in the UK because it already comes in the can and already done and everything, and a great opportunity to use the fresh ackee, which is a shame really, but that's what you get when you don't live in Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Star fruit, people. Well, I'm consuming a little star fruit. Try it, Ben.
Nice one.
It's like a really, really juicy green apple. Can check that straw. And it's like a cake. It's like a cake, people. You put the knife in, and if it comes out clean, it's ready. A little bit longer. Ding! Right, now we've got to debone this. But yeah, basically we just want to debone it, people. Take all the saltfish out. Oi, oi. Right, as you can see, we got to debone and just get into nice little flakes. You know, one corner. You see? Goodbye, people. Saltfish, people. Chickening are going, consume the rest of the saltfish. We've got to share. Ain't it, chickening? Yeah, man. Alright, people. Breadfruit. So, what we're going to do, now it's roasted, so we're going to put it there. We're going to let that cool down. Then we're going to peel it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut it into, you know, like the taco shells, right? We're going to cut it into like a slice, and then cut it in the middle, and then we're going to fry it. Yeah, we're going to fry it, and that's how we're going to make our tacos, breadfruit tacos. You know what I'm saying? We're going to start cooking the ackee and saltfish now. You don't know, so we've done everything, cleaned everything up. We're going to cook it inside, just because I can't be bothered to just light up the coal again and everything. Should have done it at the same time really, but you know when it's hot and you don't even think properly. But yeah, man, we're there, man. We'll start cook the ackee and saltfish. Oi, oi. Alright, so let's get all our vegetables in there one time. That is it. Same time, can dash the saltfish in there. Right, so we've got the saltfish in there, we've got the vegetables in there, our good vibes. So we're just going to give that a couple minutes. Go on, make that, go on, cook up. And then we're going to add the ackee. Now we're going to chuck in the ackee, people. That is it. And it's better cooking it like this when it's fresh because you can actually stir it round and it don't just mush to nothing. We're going to add some black pepper in there, people. Going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Good vibes. Get that seasoning in there. There we go, people. Oi oi. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to take off the outside layer. Right, as you can see, this is what we've got so far. Right, don't worry about the little black bits, that's just off the roast. Do you know what I'm saying? So what we're going to do now is I'm going to wash my hands because I don't want to put the black stuff on there no more. So what I'm doing, people, this is a really cool way of making the tacos, but it kind of went wrong. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put them in slices like that, and we're just going to fry them now and use them as little tacos to like put together. So I'm going to put some oil in here. As you can see, I've got some little thin slices, like so. As you can see, people, everything is ready up. So all we do is we get the breadfruit, we'll put some ackee and stuff in there, put it on there like a lid. You see me? As you can see, put our little shell back on there. There you go. There's our ackee and saltfish breadfruit taco. You've probably seen breadfruit taco somewhere else. It looks really good how they done it. I could not work out how to do it. This is how we're doing it. It's an ackee and breadfruit taco sandwich. Yeah, man. Ten. Mad people. Mad. Fresh breadfruit. Perfect combination. There you have it, people. Breadfruit and ackee tacos. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Hope you're enjoying the scenery. We will see you next time.